Hello friends, how are you? Hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm going to tell you about the Filmora Wondershare. So, what is Filmora Wondershare and what is the use of it? How to use this and what is the use of it? Many people might not be knowing what is the use of Filmora 9 Wondershare. So, here I'm going to explain you about the Filmora. So if you're watching my video and if you're not very much aware about the Filmora, so you can be thoughtful on this after watching this video. So here I'm just reading these lines and then I'll explain you. Here, Filmora 9 Wondershare is a powerful video editing software. It is a video editing software that not only allows you to edit and enhance your videos but also provides you with the tools to create stunning video intros. Videos, you can create videos intros for youtube for your youtube. If you are a YouTuber and if you want to make your videos representable, it should fetch audience. Then in that perspectives, you can use Filmora 9 Wondershare. And the use of this is it allows you how to edit. You can edit your videos. You can create a multiple, you can in diverse version you can create your intros, whatever a type of like suppose if you are from education background, if you are making videos for daily lifestyles, so what type of videos you are creating on YouTube, you can create a intro, multiple type of intros, which can fetch audience. In that perspective, you can say this platform is well known for its user friendly interface, smooth integration, and wide range of features. There's a lot of features in Filmora Wondershare. Once you use this, you can see a multiple type of features are there which can help you out making your videos more friendly and audience fetching, you can say. In addition to the intro templates, Filmora 9 also offers a wealth of other editing tools that can help take your videos to the next level. You can easily trim and merge clips, apply various visual effects and filters, and music or voiceovers as well, adjust audios, labels, and much more. So here the meaning of these lines are, in your if you're creating a video, you can trim your videos, you can merge the videos. After trimming the videos, you can merge the videos. For example, if you are recording a video, if you have gone to if you are creating a video for marriage, right? If you are creating a video of daily lifestyles, so if you are going to marriage and if you are recording the ceremony, I mean the rituals you are uh, recording. So in that case, sometimes you'll in one go you'll record all of the entire rituals. So now if you want to your if your video is so lengthy, so you can merge, I mean you can trim the whatever part you don't want, you can trim them and again you can merge the video. So if you have recorded 1 hour video and you want that, you can short this video and that can be more effective because you want main features. And if you want to take a important rituals of that videos from the videos you have recorded, so you can trim the videos as per your wish and you can merge them as well. And you can apply various visual effects and filters in you by using Filmora Wondershare. You can give voice, you can you can add music into your videos. So this is how you can use the Filmora. You can use Filmora 9 Wondershare. So this is going to help you out. If you want, after watching this video, if you want to create Filmora, how to use the Filmora, and if you want that I can use the software and how to operate the software, how to use the software, what are the features, because you know that features are very good into this. But yes, how to use them, what are the features, because once you use anything which is new for you, you will be uncomfortable how to do it. What's the option, like where is home button, where you'll save your videos after recording your videos, where you'll save your videos, how to edit the videos, you are knowing that it you can merge, you can trim, you can apply a voiceover, you can apply music, you can add music to your videos. But how to do this? If you want that, I can make the such videos for you as well. So guys, if you like my channel, if you like my videos, then please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.